Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 49 of learning English. First task is 10-minute reading start. Several parts of Delhi receive light to moderate rain on Thursday afternoon, with the weather department expecting light rain to continue until Saturday. On Thursday, Sadarjung logged 4.3 mm of rainfall between 11:30 am and 5:13 pm, while Pritampura and Ayan Nagar received 4.2.5 mm and 13.3 mm of rainfall respectively. During the same periods, there are changing of light rain on Friday and Saturday. The weather department has issued a yellow alert for light to moderate rain on Sunday and Monday. The maximum temperature on Thursday was 37 degrees Celsius, 2 notches above normal against 37.2 degrees Celsius a day earlier. The maximum temperature was 29.6 degrees Celsius, 2 notches above normal against 29.8% degrees Celsius a day. Earlier, the relative humidity isolated between 63% and 94%. There are changing of sporadic rain in some area of the city. There should be intense showers in isolated area. Between nothing substantial in is expected. Overall, it is expected that the rain will remain light with thunderstorms, said an Indian Meteorological Department officially. Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University has decided to drop the half-hours lunch break 12:13 p.m. to 1 p.m. from its daily timetable. Students are now expected to manage their lunch within brief interval between classes. The decision has left many of them frustrated. The university stated that the move was aimed at aligning with National Education Policy 2020 voice changing role. Dr. Ashok Kumar Nagwat said giving a break at the same time only invites crowds and problem. Keeping multiple thinking in mind, we have decided to take this decision. Now students, based on their requirements, can make their own schedules and take in individual breaks accordingly. We are also doing this for the optimized use of our classrooms, he added. The VC further said that the decision should not affect the teachers' workload. We have given directions to the directors of every campus that if they want to give some breaks in between a classes,